Starting around 24 walk 2024 Axie Infinity truly is exchanging at Teleton 33 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 0.4% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie in a real sense has a kind of all-out market cap of $1,469, 714, 735 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $53, 780, 287 in an in every practical sense huge way. This generally makes Axie Infinity Axie most certainly positioning at 74 in the digital currency market in a by and large huge manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Axie Infinity cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie Infinity be really worth in 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Axie Infinity a by and large wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, or so they especially thought? Will Axie's value sort of outperform its record-breaking high? These sort of are our Axie Infinity cost expectations for Axie's future in an unobtrusive manner. Axie Infinity Axie's value expectation 2024 as per the Axie Infinity conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Axie cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $30.91. The normal extremely least value worth of Axie Infinity toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to for the most part be $13.51 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Besides, Axie can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $15.76, which explicitly shows that Axie for the most part has an exceptionally complete market cap of $1,469, 714, 735 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $53, 780, 287 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie Infinity Axie value expectation walk 2024 with respect to walk 2024 Axie Infinity cost explicitly is conjectured to arrive at a particularly the least cost of $9.65, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie's cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $10.86 with a sort of typical expected cost around $10.56 in an unpretentious manner. Axie Infinity value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the greatest cost for Axie Infinity could explicitly stretch around $11.39. Genuinely further appearance how these really are our Axie Infinity cost expectations for Axie's future in an in every practical sense significant way. Besides, the minimum cost of Axie in April 2024 explicitly is $10.58 with an extremely normal cost of $10.98 in a very significant manner. Axie Infinity value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity generally is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach at a sort of least worth of $10.91 in May 2024. So on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Axie Infinity cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Axie Infinity generally be somewhat worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner? The Axie cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $11.94 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $11.31 all through 2024, so Axie Infinity value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity certainly is somewhat anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $10.91 in May 2024, so on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the Axie Infinity cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Axie Infinity truly be especially worth in 2024 in a sort of significant manner? Axie Infinity value conjecture June 2024 the in every practical sense, normal cost of Axie Infinity Axie could basically go to $11.54 toward the finish of June 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Axie could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $12.39 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $11.04 in an unpretentious manner. Axie Infinity value expectation July 2024. Axie Infinity cost by and large is supposed to sort of reach between $11.38 to $12.85 in July 2024, while the typical cost of Axie for the July basically remains around $11.88. Axie Infinity value expectation August 2024. Axie Infinity cost basically is supposed to in a real sense reach between $11.62 to $13.33 in August 2024, while the typical cost of Axie for the August by and large stays around $12.12. Axie Infinity value forecast September 2024. Axie Infinity cost in a real sense is supposed to truly reach between 12.8 to 13.93 in September 2024, while the especially normal cost of Axies for the September stays around 12.49 Axie Infinity Axe value figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity in a real sense is certainly anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a typical cost of $12.98, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $14.43 and a truly least of $12.58, or so they for the most part thought. Axie Infinity Axe value gauge November 2024. The Axie Infinity Axe's cost for November 2024 may especially arrive at a very least worth of $13,000, while the essentially greatest determined cost truly is around $15.8, demonstrating the way that the Axie's cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $11.94, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $11.31 all through 2024. So Axie Infinity value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity in a real sense is generally anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a sort of least worth of 10.91 in May 2024. So assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Axie Infinity cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie Infinity fundamentally be in every practical sense worth in 2024? The really normal cost for Axie explicitly is by and large anticipated to basically reach $13.50 in November 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie Infinity value gauge December 2024. The especially normal cost of Axie Infinity Axie could in a real sense go to $13.91 toward the finish of December 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie could be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $15.76 with the base expected cost of $13.51, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie Infinity genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been fundamentally diminished by 0.1% in its by and large current worth, which really is very huge. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the really current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an extremely large manner. Axie Infinity explicitly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, showing how might Axie cost, for the most part, outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Axie basically is down to nearly 214% in the kind of most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that Axie could generally be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $12.39 with the especially least expected cost of $11.04 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for in every practical sense. Past sort of couple of days, the coin could especially serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't, all things considered, imagine that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters present moment, showing the way that the Axie's cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $11.94 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $11.31 all through 2024. So Axie Infinity value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity in every way that really matters